In this video, we're going to take a look how to use Hostinger AI website builder. So you're going to just click add a new website. To add a new website, and then just select I'll create a website, and then just click next. And then instead of choosing WordPress, choose Hostinger website builder, and then just click next. In here, just add your domain name, or you can just click here. And as you can see now, you can simply just click start creating, or you can use a template. So you're gonna just click start creating. In here, you need to select the website type. So just click on this drop down menu and select, are you creating a business website or an online store, landing page, blog, portfolio, etc, etc. So I'm gonna just select blog. In here, just add the name of your new website. In here, you need to describe your project or brand in few sentences. And as you can see here, it says include what colors and fonts you'd like to use. So simply, you can just describe your brand as you can see. So here, just add some prompts, or you can click here and use the mic. In minutes, you have an entire website. So here you have the header, you have some icons here. If you are doing plugins, so you can simply just go ahead, or you can use also AI writer. As you can see here, you can click here and add some description and click generate text, and then it's going to create a complete post. Here you can add your email, phone. Also you can edit the footer, so you can simply just click here and then just click edit section. You can change the color as you can see if you want. Also you can add a gradient, so simply you can choose here a color, and you can also choose another color here, so you can add some gradient, or you can just keep it just like so. Here if you want to add an image, you click here and then just click add an image, and then just click add image, and you can choose from free images, or you can add a video. So simply just click replace video, and then you can add a video if you want. As you can see, there's too many videos that you can use. Simply just select and then just click select item, and as you can see, we have added a video. Also you can do some or add some effects as you can see, or simply just, this is just a footer, so just gonna use the color. Here if you click edit form, here you have the form name, so you can change it here, and here you have the email address, so just add your email address just here, and here you have the social media accounts. So if you select, and then if you go edit social icons, as you can see here, you have the Facebook icon, and also you have Instagram, TikTok, and also you have the Twitter. So if you click here and then click edit, you can add your link. So here you can add your Facebook link, and then just click here to save. It's the same thing with Instagram. Just click on this, settings, edit, and then just add your Instagram link, and then just click save. It's the same thing with TikTok and also Twitter. If you want to remove something, for example, you want to remove TikTok, just click on these settings and then just click delete. Next, we have the style. So if you go to the style, as you can see, you have the normal or you have the hover. So if you select hover, you can also change the icon color here. So just click on this, and then you can change the color, the hover color. And then you have some other settings here, for example, layout and animations. As you can see, you can play around with those options and see what works for you. And as you can see here, we're back to the home page. So here you have the header. It's the same thing with the footer. It's similar. Just click here, just select the header, and then just click edit header. And now, as you can see, in here you have some options. It's so simple. So the first thing, you have the logo, where you want to place your logo in the center, or you have this, or this, or this option, or this option. So you can just play around and see what works. And second thing, we have elements. So if you want to show logo, so you can just click here to show your logo, as you can see, or if you want to hide your logo, you can just turn this off. And then you have the social media accounts if you want to place them or add them here. And then you have the show button. So if you click here, you have, if you want to add a button. Next, we have the logo. So if you go to the logo here, you can just click replace image and then just click upload files and then just add your file. Next, we have the style. So you have the normal or the hover. So this is just some animation in effects. If you want to use them, you can play around with those options and see what works. And also, if you want to change the color of the header, you can simply just select, as you can see, just select the header and then just go edit style. And from here, you can go header background and click here, and then you can change the color of the header. And now if you scroll down, now we have the home page. So the first thing that we have here is we have some text, just some simple text. You can also just double click and then you can simply just change this text if you want. And also you can change the style, as you can see, change the font, change the color, change the size, just like so. Add some effects, as you can see. And here, if you want to add a link, as you can see, you can simply just click on this link and then you can link this text to a page, as you can see. For example, you can link it to a web address. If you click web address, you can send your visitors to a page or a link. So simply just go ahead and just add your link here and then just click save. Here you have, if you want to link it to a specific page on your website, in here to a specific section from your website, as you can see here. In here, if you want to link it to your email address, so just click here and then add your email address and then just hit save. Next, we have the phone number. So simply you can just type in your phone number here and then you can link this text to your phone number. In here, you can add a file to download. So you can just click select file and then just upload your file from here and then just hit save to save your file. Next, if you scroll down, we have this subtitle. So here just click edit text and it's the same exact game. The next thing is you have this icon. So here you can click more and then you can click cut if you want to cut this icon and move it somewhere else, or you can copy, duplicate. As you can see, if you click duplicate, you're gonna duplicate this icon and then you can simply just move it somewhere here. It's so simple. If you want to delete this, just click delete, and if you want to hide this icon, you just click hide. As you can see, you can hide it from the mobile, for example, or from the desktop, or you can simply just click again duplicate here, or you can click edit button, and here you can change this text, as you can see, to do, for example, PDF. If you have a PDF, and then you can click do link to, and then in the link to you can select page, web address, section, email address, or you can do a file download. For example, we have added PDF, so we can do select a PDF, as you can see, and then just gonna upload our PDF. Next, we have the style. So in the style, you can change, for example, the color of the text. As you can see here, you can go to the fill color and then you can change this, as you can see, this stroke. So we're gonna click here and then we can change it, for example, to this color, or we can do to this color. Simply, you can just choose the color that you want from here. And next, we have the text color. So in the text color, you can simply just, it's the same thing, just select and then you can choose the color that you want to add it for your text. Next, we have the font. So if you click change here, as you can see, you have text font. You can change this font of the text on the button. So you have here some options. and as you can see here, there's so many fonts that you can use. So we're gonna do pop in, and then we're gonna just select, and as you can see here, we have changed the font of the text. Here you have the size of the text, so simply you can just drag and play around and see what works. Next, we have the border color. So if you click here, you can change this, as you can see, this white, this stroke on the button. So we can do green, etc., etc. Next, we have the border. So this is some effects that you can do, and then you have some effects here, so you can just play around with those options and see how is that works. In the last tab, you have the animation. So by default, we have the slide. You can select the scale, as you can see, or the fade, or you can simply do no animation if you don't want to do animation. Next, you have the image of the section. As you can see, you can select and then just click edit section, and as you can see here, you can do video, you can do image, you can do color. So you can select, for example, color, and then you can just click here, and then you can choose from here the color that you like. And if you do want to do a color, you can do a gradient. So if you select gradient, you can choose the first color here. So you can simply just select the first color, as you can see here, and then you can select the second color and select the color that you like, as you can see. And now we have changed the image to a gradient. We can again click edit section, and also what you can do, you can animate this gradient color. So if you click here, this is gonna add some sort of animations in the section. Next thing, we have the image. The image, you can just simply click replace image, and then you can just go to images and upload an image, or you can simply go to free images, and then you can type in something here, and then you can add an image from this, as you can see here. So we're gonna add, for example, this image, and then gonna just click add to page, and as you can see here, we have added the image successfully. You have here opacity, you can change the opacity, and also you can do this option to make it fixed to a specific position. And as you can see, if you scroll down, as you can see here, you're gonna find some posts or blogs. So if you click edit post, you can go ahead and then just here add the title of your post, add some subtitle or description, and also here you can change this image if you want, and also here you can simply just go ahead and start writing your blog post. In here, as you can see, we have another section. So if you want to edit this section, simply you can just select this image. Again, we're gonna go change image, and then you can add your image, and here you can simply just start typing and changing this text. It's the same thing. You have here a button, you can just change it as I just showed you before. And one of the important things that we have here is the get in touch page. So this is a form. So if you select here and then just click edit form, here you can change the form name if you want, and then make sure to add your email here. In here, this is so important. So you have here the first name, email address, and you have the message. So if you want to change that and edit that, simply just, you can, for example, just select, and then you can remove this section, as you can see here, or you can change it to a last name if you like. So we're gonna do last name. In here you have the placeholder text, so simply you can just go ahead and same thing, just change it to the last name. And here you have the type of this box. So we're gonna do just a simple text, so just select, and then you can make this as a required if you like, as you can see here. If you want to add a new one, for example, we have here last name, email address, and we have the message. So you can simply just click on this box and then just select short answer, and then as you can see here, so we're gonna just drag and make it make this in the top, and then just click on this drop down menu icon, as you can see, and then here you can change this as a, for example, we're gonna do, so simply just gonna do your first name, and then gonna just add this like it's required. And then we have the placeholder text, so you're just gonna select this, and then we're gonna do enter your first name. And then if you scroll down, we can make this as a required, and then just gonna make it as a simple text, and yeah, and that's it. And if you want to remove something from here, you can simply just select here, and as I told you, just click remove, and that's all what you need to do. Next, we have the button. So if you go to button, in here you can change this text. So you can change the button text, as you can see here. You can just do, for example, just submit, and it's more than enough. And as you can see here, you can change the button position. You can make it in the center. Next, we have the show message. So this message is gonna show up after someone click here submit. So you can do, for example, just thank you for your message. You can keep it just like so, or you can do, for example, link to page. So if someone click submit, you can redirect them to a specific page, for example, to a home, or to the blog page, or a insights page, or if you have a specific page on your website, you can send your visitors to this specific page. Here you can click change button styles. So if you click here, you can change this color. As you can see, we have this blue dark, so you can click here and make it, for example, just like that. Next, we have the text color. So here you have the white, so you can change it if you like. I'm gonna keep it like so. And then you have the text font. So in the text font, you can just, it's the same game, just click here, just click change, and then you can change it to a pop-in, as you can see here, or you can change it to the font that you like. And if you click on this mobile icon, as you can see, you need to make sure your website is optimized for the mobile. So you can always just select and edit and optimize your website. And now what you can do, you can simply just click connect domain. If you haven't connected your domain name already, you can just click connect domain, and then you can connect your domain name. And after you do that, simply just go live. And as you can see now, we're gonna go to the website, and this is the website. So as you can see here, we have the logo, we have the pages, we have the home page, inside page, blog page, and we have the about page. Here you have the form, etc, etc. And there you have it. For more tutorials, smash like button and subscribe.